I'm here again to remind you about your sinking funds. Don't forget to save for your sinking fund. Hi guys, my name is Lorraine and this is the Budget Era XX. Today we are saving for our sinking funds. In today's video, we are going to use the 100 envelope savings challenge, which is going to our emergency fund. We're going to use the In My Savings Era, which is for Christmas and back to school. And again, I have the mini challenges that are going towards my sinking fund. So before we can do anything else, remember to save for your emergency fund, remember to save for your sinking fund. So with all that said, let me get to it and let's save together, guys. Hopefully everyone is still having a nice time. I hope we are all good. So I'm going to start with the 100 mini challenges for our emergency fund. For my emergency fund, more especially when it comes to the 100 envelopes challenge, I'm aiming to save 10,000. It's a combination of this 100 mini savings challenge, the 100 tiny challenges, and remember I completed the 50 envelopes challenge, everyday envelopes challenge. So it's a combination of those challenges. So I want all of them to add up to 10,000, so that 10,000 is going to add into my box of emergency fund, whereby I want by the end of the year to save total of 30,000 rand. So today I have 200 rand, not 100 rand. I have 200 rand that is going towards my 100 mini savings challenge. This savings challenge, it made things much easier for me because I really wanted to do the 100 savings challenges, but the traditional way, it's too much. It's way too much. But then I want, when I complete this one, I want to do whereby I just stuff in the 100 rand in each envelope. I want to save up like 10,000 rand using the same binder but different method. So hopefully it won't kick me, hopefully I won't give up, but the thing is, I want to complete this one as soon as possible. I really want to complete this one. So that was it for all my challenges. I really want to complete this one. I want by the end of, before the end of this quarter, it should be completed, like no matter what. So this one, it got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, and we only need 3. 1, 2, 3. Like this is 4, and all in all it saves 180. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180. Yes, it saves 108. So I must get, let me write first, completed. So remember, I have completed the first 50 challenges in this booklet. I need how much? 184, 6, 8. Yes. I need, what was I saying? Oh, I completed the first 50 envelopes And then those 50 envelopes, they saved about 3,440. Yes, so still when I reach 20 envelopes, oh guys, sorry, first envelope is from, not first envelope, first challenge is from Cash Tapping Co. Sorry, and then the next challenge is from the Capacitor budget, and it got not this one, yes, not this one, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. I'll add one from here, which is now made it to be 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We only need 13, 14, 15, 16. Yes, I'll leave 5 right here, don't worry. So we completed this one. I don't know. Yes, guys, what was left from that one? I'll check when I'm done. I'll check when I'm done, because now I made a mess. I messed up. Anyway, it's okay. And this one, it saved 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. I saved 80 in this one. I completed. I I didn't mess up, so yeah, I will check, but it's okay. Let me just get 80 rand from here. I will check off camera, because I definitely know that there was a lot of money that was left. And then this one is from Life with Me. You are the very best, and it got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Ne? Let me do 13 with that 5 rand. I don't know. I will just check. I will check, because I know I have to complete this one also. Yeah, I really have to complete this one. It's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. I can just complete this one, ne? Because I still have some cash in here, which makes it 80 rand, and this one is also completed, because I really don't remember how much was left over from the first challenge. So yeah, it's okay. It's okay. What's going on now? Oh, it's all okay. Then I have to check out 20 rand from here. I have 20 rand remaining. Yes, and then that was it for the 100 mini savings challenge. While we are on the 100 mini savings challenge, let me also do this one before I can do in my savings era. This one is 100 rand, and we are using 100 rand from there, so it's the same. And this one goes towards my, what is it, my sinking fund. This die tower is so far. It goes towards my sinking funds. The sinking funds that I have in there is I think birthdays, grade 7, car maintenance, and what else is there? I really don't know. We'll see what else is in there. Let me take the 100 from here to here, and let's see. Challenge number 1 is from Budget with Amanda. Budget with Amanda, and it goes towards grade 7, this one, and it got 1 2 3 4 5. Remember, each icon is 5 rand. 1 2 3 5. Each icon is 5 rand. I only stuff the money when I complete a challenge. So these ones are all my sinking fund. And then challenge number 2 is from the capacitor budget, and it goes towards the car maintenance, and it got 1 2 3 4 5 6. It got 6. I'll just do this 5. Yeah, I'll just do that 5. And then 10 will come back. And then the next challenge is from, it's my challenge, and it goes towards the CapCut. It got 1 2 3 4 5. It got 5. I've added 1 2 3 4 5. I've added the 5 rand that was left from the last challenge, and then the last challenge is also my challenge. It's a sushi body, and the sushi body code got 1 2 3 4 5. Got 1 2 3 4 and 5. So all these challenges, guys, are available in my Google Drive for free. And the budget with Amanda, the capacitor budget, the creations core, you can get those from their Ko-fi or Ko-fi. That's where you can get their challenges. So we are done for our sinking funds. We did not complete any challenge in this binder. And then the last challenge is this one. In this one I have 50 rand, and guys, remember I've started a new challenge, which is mirror on the wall saver, and in this one I'm using the tens, not the units. Let me put this in here, mirror on the wall. So when I complete this challenge, when this challenge is completed, it will be not the book like this challenge, the mirror on the wall. It will be, now I have to look for the color, but then let me use this. Let me color this 50. Yes, you see, I'm using the tens on this one. By the end I'm going to save 1,000 rand because I've started a new one. I've completed about 4 challenges. 4 challenges are now completed in this book, and I'm now on my 5th one. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that because every challenge in this book is double. So the iced coffee saver, I've completed it. So when I complete this one, I'm gonna go back to the iced coffee, but the other one that is not completed, like the soft clam. I did the soft clam first, Where is it? Where is the soft clamp so I can show you? You see, I completed this soft clamp and saved 300. So when I'm done with the mirror on the wall, I'm gonna go back to one of them. It doesn't matter which one. Then I'm gonna repeat the other one. Then when I complete those 5, I'm going to see it's going to be about 7,000. Remember, my goal is to save 15,000 rand, and this goes to the back to school and the Christmas. And this one is an all year long savings challenge. Remember guys, with this one you can save 5,000 or you can even save a 50,000 rand. It depends on you. So with that all being said, please guys, before I can leave or love and leave you, like I always say, let me just say this. Please make sure that you take care of yourself, and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like if you enjoy the content that I'm sharing with you. Please leave a comment. Please like my videos, because in that way the YouTube shows other people that there's page that you might be interested in watching. So yes guys, with all that have been said, let me love and leave you. See you on my next one.